So we got 10K in 90 days. How to make passive income with Airbnb. Personal finance, the ultimate handbook. Simple credit repair. And last but not least, side hustle success. What you are looking at right here are 5 ebooks that can get you to $5,000 a month, literally in 60 to 90 days. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. These are PLR ebooks, aka private label rights ebooks. Therefore, you don't have to write them yourself. You don't have to do any of the work. It's already done for you. You just simply license the ebook by simply going to plrhustle.com and purchasing them, and you start reselling them, and it's really that simple. So let me go ahead and show you how to get this fired up so you can start selling ebooks like clockwork. So first, let's start with the 10K in 90 days ebook. You can only imagine why this is very popular. I mean, you're telling people that they can have the blueprint to make 10K in 90 days. And this blueprint that's inside this ebook is extremely, extremely powerful. So people are going to buy it from you. So you can grab it at plrhustle.com. You can legally license it for $25. And if you resell it for $25, you'd only need 4 sales a day to make $100 a day and $3,000 a month by selling this one ebook. So what do? You go over to somewhere like Google Keyword Tools, and I went over to the Keyword Planner. And once you get to the Google Keyword Tool, you can check out what people are searching for. So I clicked on go to Keyword Planner, and after I done that, I typed in make 10K. Once I done that, it shows me how many people are searching for this specific keyword or related keywords. Check out this monthly searches right here, average monthly searches. How to make 10K a month. 2,900 searches a month, and the competition is very low. Let's go on down. 10K views on YouTube money. No, not that. How to make 10K, 480 searches a month with low competition. Always look for the low to medium competition. Now, if you find the low competition, you're most likely going to score big when it comes to this specific keyword. But you can just look around at different keywords to see exactly what people are typing in. So let me type in make 10K a month. Get results. Make 10K a month, as we see 480 searches, just like we just now seen. But sometimes they'll throw some extra keywords out there. Look at this one. How to make 10K a month passive income. 210 searches a month, but it's medium competition. I like to aim for the low competition. But this is what you want to do. The first thing you want to do is do your keyword research after you check out what ebook you're going to start reselling. You want to go ahead and check out some keyword research by using the Google Keyword Tool. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to run some Google ads. Now you click on Google ads right here, and you can start running search ads. And whenever you start running these search ads and they ask you what keywords do you want to use, you'll simply use the keywords from the Google Keyword Planner. And it's really that simple. See, a lot of people like to overcomplicate this process on how to make some serious money online, let's say $5,000 a month with one single ebook. But it's not really that hard, because I've already showed you how to make 3K a month by selling 4 of these a day at $25 a pop. Well, you can easily move that to 5K a day by selling it for $35, for selling it for $50. So as you can see, it's not as hard as you think to make 5K a month by selling one simple ebook whenever you are doing your research and collecting the data on what people are already typing in. So that's that ebook. So let me type in passive income with Airbnb. Okay, let's see. Airbnb passive income, 210 searches a month, which is medium competition. But let me type in make money with Airbnb. Should be more than that. 590, there we go, make money with Airbnb. 590 searches a month, and it's low competition. Well, it's pretty simple. If people are looking to make money with Airbnb and you put this ebook right here in front of them and you are selling it for $99 a pop, understand that you'd only need 2 sales a day to make $6,000 a month. I'll repeat, 2 sales a day will make you $6,000 a month by selling this extremely powerful ebook. Now at PLR Hustle, I can tell you right now, I have the inside scoop on every single ebook on the platform. That's 800 plus ebooks. This one right here is in the top 5 of making people the most money because it's a topic that everybody and their mother want to learn about, and that's making passive income with Airbnb. So once again, you already have the data right here. You already have the ebook. The only thing you got to do now is simply right here, start showing up with Google ads. And once you start showing up with those Google ads, regardless if it's Google search ads or banner ads, you got to understand you're going to start getting clicks around the clock, and those clicks can easily turn into conversions. And once they start turning into conversions, you can track even more data and make even more money. So as you can see, once again, people are also typing in the make money with Airbnb. You can kind of play around like that to see what else they're typing in. Let's go to the personal finance. Now this one is major right here because it teaches different things. This is a personal finance ultimate handbook that teaches people how to make money with 9 different ways, how to save money, how to budget money, how to build passive income. And this one right here, as you can see, suggested resale price is $99 and 2 sales a day. As you can see right here, $6,000 a month as well. But I would say this one right here is probably number 1 or 2 on PLR Hustle overall because it's teaching people what everybody across the globe want to do. People want to make money, save money, budget money, or make passive income with dividend stocks. Like most people want to do all of these or at least one of these. So this ebook right here is literally the ultimate personal finance handbook. So let's go over here and let's say saving money. Or we can say passive income with dividend stocks. Let's get results real quick. Passive income dividends, as you can see, 320 searches a month. Low. Best dividend stocks for passive income. People are typing it in. 880 searches a month, low competition, dividend stocks for passive income, 390 searches a month. Now imagine 880 searches a month and you getting 500 clicks on an ebook like this right here. 500 clicks. Let's say out of 500 clicks, you literally convert 1% of those people, which will be 5 people. And let's say you get 5 sales a day at $99 a pop. Well, that's $15,000 a month that you'll make from this one ebook right here. Well, let's say you convert 2.5%. That's still $7,500 a month you'll make by selling this ebook right here with 500 clicks, converting 2.5% of those people. So you have to understand this is extremely, extremely powerful because people are already typing it in. You have the data right here. So convert 2.5% and you got a $7,500 a month income. Let's go to simple credit repair. We already know how many people are looking to repair their credit. Okay, better credit. How to boost your credit score, medium, 1,900 searches a month. Now this is a very competitive space right here, but better credit is 110 searches a month, which is pretty low, but it's low competition. But the credit repair space, even though this ebook right here can make you a whole lot of money, you got to understand the credit repair space is extremely competitive. So even though you'll probably have a better chance of selling this successfully on social media. Like if you build an Instagram account focused on credit repair, something like that, you'll probably have a better chance of selling this 4 times a day at $25 a pop, making around $3,000 a month. You have a better chance than Google, I personally feel, because this is very competitive on Google. As you already see, everything right here is medium competition or high most likely. So credit repair, you can definitely sell this, like I said, on Instagram or on TikTok way better. Side hustles. Now, this is crazy as well. Let's just type in side hustles right here. Get results. Side hustles. Now, look at this search volume right here. 90,000 searches a month right here. Now, as you can see, the side hustles has the highest search volume of them all because people are looking for side hustles to escape the 9-to-5 life. Let's scroll down here to Best Side Hustles 2022. 12,100 searches a month with low competition. Well, you best believe if they put 2022, they probably done 2023 as well. Let's type it in. Best Side Hustles. If I can spell it right. 2023, get results. 12,100 searches a month on 2023 as well. So just about the same. As you can see, it had 180,000% change right here. So therefore, this is a very, very trendy topic. This one ebook alone, now this is crazy because you can grab this at plrhustle.com for $50. But this one ebook alone can literally make you 5 figures a month if you are only focused on Google ads. Google paid search, Google banner ads, and of course going to ads.google.com, you can simply fire these ads up with a $5, $10 a day budget. You can fire these ads up by going to ads.google.com. But this one ebook right here alone can make you $10,000 a month easy. So way more than the $5,000 a month that I told you that you can make with it. But it doesn't take a rocket scientist to fire some Google ads up and get this going strong for you. If you already have the products in place and you don't have to do the hard work by creating the products yourself, and you already know what people are typing in, where's the problem? The only thing you're doing is setting this up on your website and you are firing up an ad to see how many sales you can make. I'm not promising that you'll make 30 sales a day, but I can tell you right now, by targeting exactly what people are searching for, it would be nearly impossible to not make 2 to 5 sales a day. It would be nearly impossible if you aim for exactly what people are typing in right here on Google. Now you want to go ahead and do your keyword research. You want to get things fired up and you want to go ahead and start testing. Testing is key. If you find that keywords are not making you money, you know what you do? You just target other keywords. Now, what I like to personally do is I like to set up a Google campaign per keyword. So whenever you go to Google Ads, and I'm gonna do a completely different video on Google Ads, so I can do a deep dive on it. But whenever you go to Google Ads, they'll have you set up campaigns. Well, what I like to do is I like to set up individual campaigns for individual keywords so I'll know exactly what's making me the most money. So Best Side Hustles 2023 will be its own campaign. Top Side Hustles 2023 will be its own campaign, and so on and so forth. So you want to go ahead and do that. You want to implement these strategies so you can finish off 2023 with a bang. You can definitely get to $5,000 a month in 60 days if you use this strategy. If you are somebody that want to do all the work yourself, don't license an ebook. Just work hard and create it yourself. But if you want to work smart, you got to do like Amazon and Walmart do. They grab a product, they slap their name on it, and they focus on the money. So all you got to do if you want to focus on the money is go to plrhustle.com, private label an ebook, do your keyword research, set up your campaign, send people to your website, and the sky is truly the limit. I will be making so many more videos about Google Ads and about selling ebooks with paid search. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet. Comment below and let me know what you thought about this video, and I will catch you very soon in my next video.